finale, we will be bringing out lots of birds on stage. So let's get started, okay? First up, from Africa, we have the great white pelicans. Next up to Asia, our spot-bill pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, let's welcome our mission pelicans. All 5 of them, come over here, guys. Now, back to Africa, birds with their sexy long legs, supermodels of the world. Keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome our greater flamingos. All the way from South America, let's welcome our beautiful vocals from up there and there. And there you have it, everyone, a great finale of birds. Can we give them a big hand? So with that, we have come to the end of the show. Now if you would like to take pictures with our flamingos, please do stay, as we will be bringing out our photography flamingos in a very short while. Now in the meantime, you are more than welcome to come down, take pictures of the lovely birds we have on stage while we usher them back home. Okay, and finally, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, continue to have a great day right here in the bird park, and remember to take a look around and bring all your belongings with you when you leave. Thank you and bye-bye.